In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make this simple and easy bust gauging corset. If you're a beginner, please keep on watching. It is very simple. So this is a three-part corset. I already drafted it and I have a tutorial on how to draft a three-part corset here on my channel. I'll leave the link to the video in the description box. So after cutting your three-part corset, you want to make sure you have at least three pieces, one for the lining, one for the main fabric, and one for your bust gauging. Okay, just make it three so you have the lining, the main fabric, and the one you'll be using for your gauging. Okay, so I'll have to separate them. You can see I'm pinning the lining and the main fabric and I'm keeping them aside. So I'll be using this one for the bust gauging, for the corset gauging. So what you see me doing here is I'm placing right side facing each other of 1 and 2 cup. So after placing, I've already gone ahead to sew using half an inch. I have also gone ahead to notch as well. So after notching, the next you want to do is to place the other piece, that is this first one. I'm going to place it like so, right side facing each other. Then I'll head over straight to my sewing machine and I'll stitch with half inch. Okay, when stitching, ensure your seam is open. Okay, just stitch, open up your seam and stitch just like this. You have to open it up, then you go ahead and sew. Then I've gone ahead to sew and have also ironed my seam opening. Also ensure you don't iron on a flat surface. If you have tailor's arm, you can place it on your tailor's arm and iron very well. So I'll use my marker now to mark out where I'll be attaching my first boning. Okay, make a round mark around the cup just like this. After marking round like so, the next you want to do now is to extend the center line to meet the upper part. Okay, when marking, ensure you leave half inch for your sewing allowance. Next, draw a curve that looks like an X shape. You get? Draw a curve that looks like an X shape. An X shape, not X, S shape. Just like this, just make it curvy, just this way. Can you see what I did here? You curve it to this end and curve the other one to the other end. So I did the same thing on the other cup, as you can see. So now I want to go ahead and attach my boning from this end to the other end. After sewing the first boning, I use another one to cross it at the upper part, as you can see. Now you're going to place another boning underneath like this. Okay, at the center line, you place another boning. Ensure they are aligned by placing the boning like so. Then check the right side of your fabric to ensure you have a neat work there. So go ahead and stitch on both sides. After stitching on both sides of the boning, place another boning just this way. You cross the center line. You can just place it this way. Then also make stitch on both sides. I'll do that and I'll be right back. So I've gone ahead to sew. I've stitched both sides of the bodies, as you can see, and you can see how neat the inside and outside is looking. So the next thing I want to do now is to attach boning through the line I draw. Okay, so I'll measure it and I'll cut like two of it. Then I'm going to place one like so. You place one this way, place the second one just like this. Place through the direction of your marker or chalk. Place them like so. They go ahead and stitch on both sides. I've done that already and you can see how beautiful this looks. You can see how deep it looks as well. Okay, so you are going to bring it out like so. You bring your cup like so. Then I have my tailor arm already. I will also place my hemming gum just this way. Then after placing my hemming gum, I'm going to also place fiber on top of it like so. Then I'll use my steam iron. Make sure it's very hot to iron very well. Ensure you give it a very nice press, just like you see me doing here. So I've gone ahead to iron and also cut the excess fiber I have. So after cutting my fiber, the excess, you can see what I have here. So I'll cover the cup with the main fabric cup corset. So after doing that, I will make a top stitch all the way around, and you can now attach to your dress. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, kindly hit on the subscribe button. This is best technique for this.